Want to record your screen without installing complicated screen recording software? VEED lets you capture your screen, camera, microphone, or a combination of these directly through its online recording tools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to record your screen with VEED in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into VEED and open the screen recording tool. From VEED's recording options, choose the screen recorder and start a new recording. Depending on the current interface, the screen recorder may be available from VEED's online recording tools or directly from the editor. Next, choose what you want to capture. VEED can provide options for recording your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab, depending on your browser and device. Select the area that contains the content you want to demonstrate. Now decide whether you want to include your webcam and microphone. You can record just your screen, or combine the screen with your camera and voice for a more personal presentation. Before recording, check that the correct microphone and camera are selected and working properly. Finally, make any edits you need, such as trimming sections, adding captions, text, or other elements. When you're satisfied with the result, export your finished screen recording. So your screen recording is now ready to share, and that's how to record your screen with VEED. Open the screen recorder, choose what you want to capture, configure your camera and microphone, record your demonstration, review the footage, and export the finished video. This can be especially useful for tutorials, software demonstrations, presentations, and quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.